Hi, how you going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be drawing Snorlax in easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Drawing Snorlax, I'm going to start by you doing the construction lines, and you can see he's made up of mainly a circle. His head's an oval shape. His feet are oval shapes as well. And helping draw these guidelines will help you with your work. A couple of little rounded triangles for the ears, and drawing an oval shape for the face, and then just bringing down the little V cutout section there. And I'm also just mapping in the main areas, so the arms, for example, where they're going to go, where the feet are, where the belly line is. And I'm drawing quite quickly, so if you ever need to slow down, just press pause. And I'm drawing in pencil because if I make any mistakes or I'm not happy with something, I learn from it and I change it. Sometimes I draw smaller and sometimes I draw bigger, but you get to see how to go about a drawing. And don't forget his arm, his other arm, and try and make them the same size. Now that I have all the basic shapes of Snorlax, what I'm going to do is I'm going to outline and refine my drawing using a Copic multiliner. You could use a Sharpie, you could use a felt tip pen, it's up to you. Now he's got a bit of a smile with a couple of little triangles for his teeth, a couple of little lines for his eyes, and now it's just a matter of going around some of the main areas. This is a chance here to correct any bits that you're not happy with. Remember, the pen is permanent and can't be rubbed out, so you just got to take your time, nice and slow, nice and neat, and do your best. I'm sure you are at home. And I'm drawing some curve lines. Snorlax, although he looks easy, he's quite tricky because he's got so many different curves, and you've just got to look to see where they are. Now I'm drawing his arm and bringing in his little nails. Now the reason I draw those two first is because there's a gap between them. They go actually inside the arm a bit, whereas the rest are just sitting on side the hand from that view. And don't forget to draw his belly. Okay, practicing, doing your best and your neatest, putting any little bits on that you forgot to put on during the guideline drawing, construction line drawing area. So I've put his toes on there and his claws on his feet. Now I'm just going around his feet a bit, and an oval shape for his pad of his feet, and I made that slightly bigger. Around the side of his belly, now the rest of his belly line, and doing his toes, making sure they're the same size as the other ones on the other side, and also similar size here. Once I've done the claws, it's time to finish off his foot. So remember, that's an oval shape. It's going over the lines, and another oval shape. Try and make that the same size as the pad on the other side. It's pretty similar. And then a curved line along the bottom, and see how that one goes down and in a little bit more. And another curved line for the other side of the body, and don't forget the two fingers at the front, and then the other little fingers. So you should have 5 little claws, and they're sort of like, almost like little triangles. Bring the line up and around, and there we have Snorlax. Now if you're using a marker pen, make sure it's dry before you add the color. I'm going to color mine with Copics, but before I do, I've just sped up the video and I'm giving him a thicker outline. You might like to add your own background. You can color in pencil or text, as it's up to you. I use Copics because I've got lots of different colors. I'm just using normal paper, and I just put down a base layer of the colors that I like, and trying to make sure that there's no gaps where I don't want any gaps. And then when it's dry, I can add other details in. So at the moment I'm putting in the shading in, and you can even go over it with pencil if you want. See how I'm adding a little bit of white highlight there, and a little cast shadow as well. Thanks for joining me today in drawing Snorlax. I hope you had a great time, and remember, if you've got a request, feel free to comment below, and if you want to see some other Pokemon videos, check out my other videos. Till next time, see you later. Cheers. Bye.